As you can see, this is proof all our repost was removed at once after applying this method. Now kindly watch carefully so you don't miss a step. Firstly, kindly go to your TikTok app. If you noticed at first, we currently have a lot of reposted videos. Now kindly go to any web browser of your choice. Tap and search for ClearTalk. Select the first website. Now you can choose any option that you want depending on the device you are currently using. You can use this Chrome extension or Microsoft Edge if you're using a desktop, but if you're on mobile, kindly go for the app on Play Store or Apple Store. Now kindly sign in with any Google account of your choice. It shows that all our repost has been removed instantly. Now let's check our TikTok account. If you noticed we no longer have any reposted video on our TikTok account, if this was helpful please leave a like and subscribe for more.